Hello, everybody. Today, I shall discuss about growth and development, meaning, definitions, and differences between growth and development. Let us take concept of growth. Growth refers to increase in size, length, height, and weight. Now the definition of growth. According to L.D. Crow and Crow, growth refers to structural and physiological changes. Thus, growth takes place when a child grows taller, his or her bones, muscles, and other parts increase in size. Now, the concept of development. Development is indicative of changes in the quality or character rather than quantity. Definition of development. E. B. Horlock defined development as the term development means a progressive series of changes that occur in an orderly, predictable pattern as a result of maturation and experiences. Thus, development describes the changes in the organism as a whole and does not list the changes in parts. Now, the differences between growth and development. The first difference, growth is in terms of physical changes, whereas development in terms of intellectual changes. Second difference, growth is up to a certain age, whereas development from birth to death. Fourth difference, growth can be visible, whereas development is not visible and it can be experienced. This is the third difference. Now the fourth difference, growth is measurable aspect, whereas development is non-measurable aspect. Growth is quantitative aspect, whereas development is qualitative aspect. Growth is not continuous throughout life, whereas development is a continuous process. So all these 6 differences are about growth and development. So we have studied about the concept of growth, the definition of growth, and the concept of development, definition of development, and differences between. This is a very important difference between growth and development. So this much we have studied today. Thank you and all.